Imagine a world where even the simplest loading animation can mesmerize and engage. That's exactly what we're crafting today, a sleek, elegant, circular loading animation that's more than just functional. It's a visual treat. Before we get started, I'd like to give a huge shout out to my amazing patrons on Patreon. Your support keeps projects like this alive, and I'm truly grateful for your contributions. If you'd like access to the source code and exclusive content, you can join my Patreon for as little as $3 a month. Let's build something incredible together. To start, make sure you have two files ready: a blank HTML file and a blank CSS file. We will build the structure in HTML and style it beautifully with CSS code. Inside the body tag, we'll create a div element with the class name loader, which will act as the container for our animation. Nested inside, we add another div with the class inner circle to form the innermost spinning layer. Lastly, a span element will display the loading text in the center of the animation. Let's dive into the CSS styling, which is the heart of this circular loading animation. Every detail contributes to the seamless and captivating motion we aim to achieve. We begin with the body tag, where we use DisplayFlex to create a flexbox container. The properties Justify Content Center and Align Items Center ensure the loader is perfectly centered both horizontally and vertically. The height of the body is set to 100 VH to cover the full viewport height, while margin 0 removes any default spacing. A light gray background color gives a clean and modern appearance. Finally, the font family is set to Arial sans serif for any text elements. Next, the loader class defines the primary container of the animation. It uses DisplayFlex to stack the elements within it, with Justify Content Center and Align Items Center ensuring perfect alignment. The position relative property sets the context for absolute positioning of pseudo elements and child elements. The dimensions are fixed with width 105 pixel and height 105 pixel to maintain a consistent shape. Now, let's discuss the outer circle, which is created using the before pseudo element. It starts with empty content to generate the element and is positioned absolutely relative to the loader container. The border is styled with 10 pixel solid, transparent to create a hollow circle. But the border top color is set to purple, making only the top border visible. The circle's shape is achieved using border radius, 50%. And the size is set slightly larger than the loader container with width 120% and height 120%. To add motion, the animation property applies the spin animation, which rotates the circle in a linear and infinite manner over 2.5 seconds. The middle circle is defined by the after pseudo element, which follows a similar structure. Its border is slightly thinner at 10 pixel solid, transparent, and the border bottom color is set to blue. Its size matches the loader container with width 100% and height 100%. It also uses border radius 50% for the circular shape. The animation here is the same spin, but it rotates in the opposite direction using the reverse keyword and spans 3 seconds for a dynamic layering effect. The inner circle is styled through the inner circle class, positioned absolutely within the loader container. It has a border 10 pixel solid transparent, with the border left color set to red. Its size is smaller than the other circles, at width 60% and height 60%. Like the others, it has border radius 50% for a smooth circular appearance. The animation is the same spin, but it rotates faster, with a duration of 1.5 seconds. The text inside the loader is styled with loader span, positioned absolutely at the center using position absolute. Its font size is set to 10 pixel. This text is bold with font weight, bold. It has an uppercase appearance due to text transform, uppercase, and the color is a neutral dark gray. To add a pulsating effect, the animation property applies the fade animation, which cycles the text's opacity from fully visible at 1 to almost invisible at 0.1 over a 2-second ease in out cycle. Finally, let's look at the animations. The @keyframes spin animation rotates elements continuously from transform rotate. 0 degrees at 0% to transform rotate 360 degrees at 100%. The fade animation alternates the opacity of the text, starting at 1, fading to 0.1 at 50%, and returning to 1 at 100%. With all these properties combined, the result is a smooth, multi-layered circular animation with subtle, pulsating text, adding elegance and sophistication to any project. Once completed, your loading animation will display a stunning blend of spinning circles in purple, blue, and red, with the word loading glowing gently in the center. It's a polished, responsive design that adds professionalism and flair to any project. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For those eager to access the source code and support future creations, head over to my Patreon. Let's keep creating together. See you in the next video.